You can film live videos when you're walking. You can film videos in the car, when you're sitting in your favorite chair. What about when you're sipping tea?
See? Yes, we.
You can literally film live videos anywhere at any time. So just get over your fear, hit the live button, and have a blast. If you're new here, hi, my name is Brooke, and I help beginner entrepreneurs get their businesses up and running. I don't have millions of followers, so I am not an expert on going viral by any means, but I have created a self-sustaining income using Facebook as my primary social media marketing tool, and I have had a steady flow of clients coming to me from simple content that I create on Facebook for over 2 years. So I am an expert at leveraging a really small audience and turning that into a thriving business. If you want to learn the ways to optimize your Facebook profile for your business, I created a free checklist for you that tells you step by step exactly what to do. The link is in the description below if you want to grab a copy for yourself. High five. Let's go into my phone and I will show you how to do it. Okay, so here we are on your profile. Go down to make a post and hit live. Okay, now you're going to hit on tap to add a description. This is where you're going to spark curiosity and create a caption that will make the viewer want to click and watch. Curious how I record videos for my online courses? That sparks curiosity, right? Now I'm just going to hit that blue button, go live. Then it gives you a countdown, 3, 2, 1. All right, and we're live, and you can see that because there's a little red live thing on the upper left-hand corner. When you're done, hit finish, and that's it, ending live broadcast. Now, before you post it, go to deletion settings, and I like to click on never delete. Then you hit post now. And that's it, congratulations, you just went live. Now, here's something to know about going live. Going live is really powerful because it is something that really engages your audience in real time. So when people are opening up their Facebook app, because people do that just out of habit multiple times throughout the day, when they see that you're live, like that's going to show up like on their screen right away. Facebook pushes out live content to people. So will show up and they're most likely going to tune in and watch. And what I like to do, and this is like a pro tip for how to create really engaging live content, is anytime that you see somebody is watching, Facebook will tell you the name of the person who's watching and you can call them out by name. So I always say, like, for example, hey Patsy, or hey Kevin, good morning, thanks for tuning in, whatever. Always call the person by name and acknowledge that they're there watching. That makes the viewer feel more connected to you and they're more likely to even stay on and continue watching. And it lets other people know, for the people who didn't catch you live, but they're going to watch it later on your profile, it lets them know that you are the kind of person who values their viewers. You are the kind of person who engages their audience. You're actually interested in the community that you're building. You're not just talking at people, you're talking with people. There's a difference, okay? So that is a pro tip. So creating live videos is something that you should be doing on a regular basis. It is great for engaging your audience. It gives them another variety of content. And it also shows them that you are the kind of person that has the guts that it takes to hit that live button. So many people are afraid of going live and they never do it. They're terrified. I remember like the first time I did it, I was shaking. I felt like I was going to throw up. And I know I have literally seen so many startup entrepreneurs who really are just dying to get their business off the ground. I have seen them waste up to 2 years before they ever hit that live button because they were paralyzed in fear. Don't be that person. Just hit the live button, talk about whatever's on your mind. Remember, your best content is all of those thoughts that are in your mind that you think over and over, like your inner thoughts. If you just share them with the world, that's your best content because that's the real authentic you and people will relate to it. Hit that go live button, make a video. If you absolutely hate it, you can always delete it, okay? Like you really can't get it wrong. And the more you do it, the more comfortable you're going to be at doing it. I go live all the time. I love it. I think it's super fun. I love engaging with my audience that way. And video content is how you attract and convert viewers into high-paying clients. So when would now be a good time to hit that live button and go live on your profile?